Good morning guys, welcome back. Now today we are starting off our week-long adventure in the high country where we're staying at the McNamaras Caravan Park. We've got our trailers and all our stuff there, so we set up a base camp and we're going to go out every day and poke around. But today we've turned off onto a track. I'll have to check it because it's got 3 different names coming up on the GPS and the paper map, but we're just airing down and we're going to get into it. So looking forward to it. Got a few huts and a few other things to look at today, so we'll get stuck into it. Okay, so we've just stopped here at Tom's hut. We'll go inside and have a look. There's a few campers, but that's okay. Now this track is Seek track. I just looked that up, so let you know. We'll go and check out this hut.
It's all good.
Hello. Let's see what hideous creatures lurk inside. Oh.
I like the carpet, it's beautiful. Little rug.
You like my house?
No, it's my house. It says Tom on the outside.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, pretty original. Sort of been patched up, but looks good. Rightio, so we're going to get back on the track and try and find another hut a bit further up. So we've just come up Eskale Spur track. We found the hut. I don't think it's got a name. We'll just go and check it out real quick. I'll just try going around here to the front door. There we go. There we go, room with a view. Not bad. Funny spot, but yeah, cool anyway to come and visit. We're up here at Mount Emu and it's 1365 above sea level, so it's a pretty cool view. Check that out behind me. So that's us, mushroom camp. We're back now. We've had a shower, got the fire going. Little bit of shower, just sprinkling a little bit, but that's going to blow over.
Oh, that's golden brown. See?
Golden brown.
It's golden brown.
Yeah, that's the Saints, isn't it?
A lump of coal.
Good morning, guys. So today, it's Monday. We're on our way up the Falls Creek, but we've just stopped here at McNamaras Hut, and it's about a K drive in, nothing too crazy. And now it's a 250 metre, 5-minute walk up to the hut. So we'll go and check that out and see what that's all about. Well, this hut's certainly been looked after. They've got, you know, mats to sleep on, plenty of firewood. You know, it's all insulated and stuff. It's oh, it's great. Yeah, really cool. It did say back there on the sign, I think it was rebuilt in 2003 after the fires. But no, looks good.
Pretty flag.
Yeah. That was pretty cool. On to the next stop.
And on a walk to Eskale Hut. How are you enjoying this beautiful weather?
I'm coping.
Look at the bed. Look, you want to come up? Oh, yeah. Look at this one. This is so cool.
Yeah, this is pretty cool, pretty original. So this is Eskale Hut, and yeah, triple bunks. Yeah, really nice, really nice. Good to see, been looked after. We've just come down the road a bit further and stopped here at this aqueduct, and there's an old hut back there. I don't know the name of it, but I'll have a look at the sign on the way over. We've just stopped here for a bit of lunch, and then we're going to keep heading past Falls Creek and down the road, see what else we can find. Jesus, the only way to heaven. Well, there you go. Bit of comforting words. This is better on the inside than it is on the outside. We're just on the way up to Mount McKay, and there's a hut and like a fire tower up here, and a pretty cool view. But we're up the top of Mount McKay. It's like the top of the world up here. Wow, what a nice view. I haven't been up here, but it's awesome. I hope you can hear me okay. It's blowing a gale. So I think we're about 1850, 1860 metres high. We're just on our way back to camp, and we're just going to collect a bit of firewood for tonight. Good morning, guys. So we're out today. We're over at the Dartmouth Dam. So we've just come down to the bottom here. That's the dam wall behind me, and we're going to go up the top and have a look now. Wow, that's big. That's pretty cool. That's a very impressive dam. That's huge. As you can tell, the weather's not exactly too nice today. Right, yeah, there we go. We've got a quick pick on the dam wall. Now we better move off. Head up to the tower. Here we are at Mount McNamaras Fire Tower. It's about 1,480 metres. And today, well, yeah, the weather didn't improve. But that's okay, it's a bit of fun. We'll go up the tower and have a look. Oh, it's beautiful. I think it's about 5 or 6 degrees, but that's not taking into account the wind chill factor. But you feel like it could start snowing any minute. But it's good fun. It's good fun. I'll just have to come back and look at the view another day. That's okay. Such a nice place. I want to do a bit more poking around. We've turned off onto Forbidden Valley track, and we're making our way over to look at a couple more huts. We just stopped here for some lunch. Now, we haven't done this track before. We don't know what it's like. So far, it's pretty easy. Hopefully, it gets a bit more, exciting, but we'll see. Yeah, just haven't been down this area before, so it's all new to us, but that's right. We're having fun anyway. We're going to get going in a minute and hopefully find these huts.